Hmm? What the? Hello. Hey, wait a minute. What are you doing? What? What's wrong? Are you okay? Come on down, little fella. I'm not going to hurt you. So, hello there. What are you doing here? Never mind. We'll discuss this early in the morning. Okay? The next morning. It's gonna be a great day for flying today. I wonder where Skylar is. I don't know. Hi, guys. Skylar? What's that? Oh, it's a bird. I just found him. His name is Raven. Oh, hello there, Raven. He's so adorable. Careful, he might be a dangerous bird. Oh, come on, David. How can he be dangerous? He doesn't look all that scary. Well, let's take him home. So, Raven, do you remember where you live? Mm-hmm. Alright, guys, let's go. We're gonna let a bird tell us the directions. Birds don't talk. It doesn't matter. We have to get him home before his migration. Let's go. 2 hours later. Ugh. We've been walking for 2 hours. Can't we rest? Well, I guess walking in the woods can be a little relaxing for a while before we find his home. His family, I mean. These fools don't even know I'm out here. So I'm gonna scare them. Shh. Do you guys hear that? Oh, I don't like this. my god, you stupid cat. What did you do that for? You scared us to death. That hurts. Get out! Hey, where's Raven? Behind those bushes. Oh, you poor thing. That cat Randy scared him. It's okay. He's gone. He'll never hurt you. Ah! What? Is that your family up there? Uh-huh. Ah! Goodbye. We'll miss you. Can we go home now? I'm tired. Yes, David. We can go home.